What is up, people? I got some exciting things to share with you. In this box is a slab stand. Custom-made slab stand by Valhalla Ruckman. Yes, Valhalla, absolutely. Like freaking Vikings. So I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna show you guys, and you guys are gonna have to hit him up, especially if you're a slab collector. This is the best way to, that's awesome. Sorry. That's right. This is a 3D printed slab stand. Excuse me. So what's nice about it, besides the fact that this is Venom with his hands protruding out of the stand, is that there is felt on all the contact points, so you don't scuff up your stuff, you know? Because who wants a scuffed up slab? So again, this is from Jake over at Valhalla Ruckman, and I'll put a link in the description on his Instagram. Give him a like, follow him, shoot, buy a couple of these. He can do whatever character you want pretty much, I'm sure. I'll definitely be ordering some more. Check him out. Wait, better yet, let's see. Let me grab a book real quick. Venom, meet a symbiote book. That's perfect. Look at that. That's how you should display it. Yup, for sure. Thank you, Jake, for the awesome stuff here. I dig it. Check him out. Valhalla Ruckman. At Valhalla Ruckman. Later.
How many animals have they taken care of? Like, one. One every day. Yeah.
Do you need a cool way to display your slabs? Well, you should check out my buddy Jake at Valhalla. Blah, 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 blah. Test, test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.